How to add co-host in Google Meet. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can add co-host in Google Meet. I'm sure you know that also on Google Meet you can have more than a host. All right. A host is someone basically that is in charge of the meeting, in charge of organizing the meeting, and in charge of ensuring everything goes well. So if you are a host and then you want to add a co-host, it's not difficult, but you must be using the paid version, all right? They pay a paid work email before you can add a co-host in Google Meet. And so what do you do first? The first step is to create a meeting, and that is to move to the bottom right corner, click on the new icon, and then on this page, you can see create a new meeting. You can see schedule a Google Calendar, create group. So once you get start, click on create new meeting, and then the meeting link will be displayed. Ensure you copy this and send it to people, or you can share it. And then the next step would be for you to click on join meeting. After clicking on join meeting, you'll be brought to the page. Click on join, and then as the person who created the meeting, you are the host automatically. So for you to add a co-host, like I said, you have to be making use of the paid version, okay? And so once you're making use of the paid version of Google Meet, go to the top part of the screen where you can see the meeting code, and then just click on it. Then after clicking on it, you'll be brought to the people's page where you would see all of the participants on your Google Meet call. And so once you can see this, the next step is for you to click on the person, the participant that you would like to add as a co-host. By the right side of the screen, you'll see three vertical dots. Click on it. Amongst the options displayed, you will see the option add co-hosts. All right, click on it, and that person will be made a co-host immediately, such that whatever you can do, the person will be able to do it as well. So that is it. So this is how you can add a co-host on Google Meet. Thank you for watching and have a good day.